The pre-enrollment procedure applies to non-European applicants who need study visa for enrollment in an Italian university. Info can be found on PoliTo website and on the University portal. Pre-enrollment is mandatory to obtain the study visa at the embassy or consulate in your country of residence. Applicants must register on University and add PoliTo's username in Step B.
Select the program you have been admitted to.
Attach the needed documents. Check with the embassy or consulate if other documents are required. The deadline to submit the application is 31st of July. Bachelor's applicants in the ranking list can submit it after this date if the admission is granted later. For ranking lists updates, check calls for application. For bachelor's degree, validation happens for enrolled students who uploaded mandatory documents, language certificate, and paid the first installment of tuition fees. For master's degree, validation happens in case of eligibility, after uploading the degree required for admission. To apply, go to University IT and register. Make sure that the name appears exactly as in your passport. Check your email for confirmation. Log in again and update the password. Enter the personal area and select Pre-enrollment application at the bottom of the page. Click on the green button to submit a new application. In the first step, select the academic year and make sure that all your info is correct. It is not mandatory to insert the fiscal code. In Step B, you can select the embassy, the university, and the course. You might not find the correct language of the course.
Don't worry about that and rely on the language officially published in the course catalog.
Please add your PoliTo's username and go to Step C. Attach all mandatory documents and submit your application.